everyone. Firstly, I would like to call upon Fatka of Class 2T to do the
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah. Now I would request all of the parents and students for the national anthem. When parents join in, they help their children become more curious and learn about different jobs. Professional activities are important because it's so many different jobs. Different activities are important because they show many different jobs. They inspire people, especially kids, to think about what they want to do when they grow up. They bring everyone together and help people learn new things. Now I would like students of class 2D for the children's profession parade. I would like to call upon students of class 2D for the children's profession parade. Hello everybody, today I am excited to talk about doctors. Doctors are often called lifesavers. They play an important role in humans' life. They save lives and make us healthy. There are many types of doctors like cardiologists and dentists. Hello, I want to tell about doctors. They are amazing people who help us when we are sick. They work in hospital.
Hello everybody, my name is Mohammed Azan. I am from class 2T. My dream is to become a doctor. I want to become a doctor because it is a great way to help people. And doctors make us healthy and fit. And I'm nothing my mom and dad, both are doctors and great doctors. I just want to become like them.
Good day, everyone. I want to share with you about diplomats. They are like leaders in our city. They work with other important people and solve the issues of that day. Hello everyone, I want to talk about journalists. They work for newspapers and TV stations. They find out about important events and make news. Hello everyone, I am Rhythm from class 2T. I want to be a lawyer. I will fight for the justice. A lawyer is a professional who is trained in the law and works in the court. Hello everyone, today I want to talk about village in an volcano. They are like fire hunters who had to find oil deep under the ground. They use big machine called drills to dig into the earth. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to you all. My name is Fatma Faisal and I am from class 2T. Today I am gonna tell you about chefs. Chefs work in restaurants and hotels. They can make all kinds of food with beautiful presentation. Thank you. I want to be an artist because I'm good in art more than studies. I have a creative mind to draw pictures and sceneries. That's why I want to be an artist.
Good morning everyone. Today I'll tell you some information about Karya. Karya is a person who helped us to learn Quran Pak. They know how to read with Tajweed.
Hi, my name is Shafatna. I'm 2T. I'll tell you about teacher. Teacher is our role model. Teacher help us in every word. Teacher make us intelligent. Thank you. Hello everyone. I want to teacher. Teachers are like superheroes because they help us to learn new things every day. When I will grow up, I will be a teacher. A business where someone who start their own companies to make money. Hello everyone, I want to become a footballer in my future. In world of sports, football is a team sport and famous. I would like to play as a attacker. Thank you. When I will grow up, I want to be an astronaut. Astronauts also visit space and they collect information about space. Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah and I am from class 2T. Today I am very excited to talk about scientists. When I will grow up, I will be scientist. I will explore and invent new things for the human. Army officer is a brave person who protects his country's borders. They wear special uniforms and badges to show their ranks. Hello, I am Ibrahim. I will defend my motherland. I want to be an army officer. I will defend my mother. Hello everyone, I want to be a police officer and I would maintain law and order in my country. My name is Muhammad Ali. I am from class 2T. I want to be a software engineer. They work on computers and make apps and websites. I want to talk about flowers. They are artists who create beautiful arrangement with flowers. Hello everyone, my name is Azama Zaid. I am from class 2D. Today I want to tell you what I want to be when I grow up. I want to be a farmer. Farmers are backbone in the countries. They work in the fields and farm and grow crops. I want to become an army doctor, so I can save many lives and serve my motherland. I want to be a businessman because a businessman is a person who starts their own company to make money. They are important for the economic health of the country. That was lovely. Thank you so much, my fellows. The parade was wonderful. Thank you, everyone. Now let's wrap up the parade. Thank you to all the